Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix screen flickering issue on Windows 11 solved. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapter, right-click Display Adapter, click Properties. Click Driver tab, click Rollback Driver. Restart system. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapter, right-click Display Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapter, right-click Display Adapter, click Uninstall Driver, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Personalization. Click Background, change solid color, select any color. Click Colors, change any accent color. Fifth method is click Start, Settings, click Accessibility. Turn off animation effects and transparency effects. Sixth method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Uninstall recently installed apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.